So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use average lines of analytics pane in Power BI. So for this tutorial, again I will be working with online retail dataset. And in the report pane, I have already made one bar chart which represents sales by subcategory. Now let's say we want to find out which all subcategory generates sales greater than the overall average sales. So let's see how we can do this. So for this, select this visual first. And in the visualization area, we have an option known as analytics. So just click on this, go to average line and just click on add. So it will add one average line in our visual. Let's say we want to change the color of the line so that we can see the line clearly. This one. Now let's say we want to find out the average value as well. So we'll come down and over here there is one option known as data label. So just on this and I will change the text color as well. So as you guys can see, this is my average value and this is my average line, and all the subcategory whose bar exceeding the average line, they are basically generating sales greater than their overall average sales. So in this way, one can make average lines in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.